I need to make sure that this is the right input. How do I do that? It's probably the wrong input. Oh, damn it. It's impossible to use. Test. All right. And let's make this live. I'm gonna stick that in there. Thanks so much for your kind words, Shah. Okay. And we are live streaming the launch T-0. Oh. Ew. Actually, I guess I should just jump on in if you have any live streaming. It's LaunchLog live. Questions to ask or just want to watch me fumble around not knowing what I am doing. Okay, and then I'm going to switch accounts and do the same thing over there. I'm going to take, in case you see this in future, I'm going to take this question thing and pop it out over there. Okay. Wow, that's just crazy. This is worth watching. Do 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 do. Yeah, fuck it. All right. So here's my launch sequence, which I'm thinking about. I'm going to have chat up on the left, and I'm going to make it small. If I can make that small. So hopefully I will see whatever needs to be seen. Whatever. I wish I could get rid of that. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So here's the order of operations today. So I figured out most of these things. And then email Gumroad buyers. So basically I did product hunt this morning. And that's the product hunt link is over there. Let's check in on the product hunt campaign. I don't think it's doing very well, which is a shame, but I honestly didn't put that much effort into it. So I have myself to blame. So then I'm going to do HN. Then I'm gonna do Twitter. Oh, 28 votes. That's not too bad. Do, 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 do. Yay! So kind of you, Monica. Thank you so much. So much for your encouragement and support through all this. Oh, thanks, Brandon. My first product shipping, so very nervous. Trying to go for, in fact, I think there is still fluff to cut. My hope is to come back to this and cut 10% every year in length and gain clarity. Thanks for supporting the book. All right. Hey, Shah. What's up? Thank you, Shah. You've been a very vocal supporter, and it's super encouraging. All right. Sorry, I got sidetracked. So I have Product Hunt, I have Hacker News. Reddit's probably the lowest priority. So that's the order of operations today. Then I'll email the Gumroad buyers. Actually, I'll probably email the Gumroad buyers. Yeah, probably in this order. And then I should also have like a dev 2 thing. And that's not so important. But the problem is dev 2 is the most flexible. It's where I can just like redirect people all over the place. So I'm not really sure what the order of operations should be, but I know that this is roundabout when I should be on Hacker News. So here goes nothing. Let's go on Hacker News. So I'm gonna basically model off of Philip Kiley because he's the only successful Hacker News example that I've found. Yeah, basically no one else does well on Hacker News. Hey, Norm, thanks very much. I hope it's the start of a great conversation between your junior and you. That's all I hope for, TBH. I don't have all the answers, but I can get you to ask the right questions. This is awesome. Like people buying for their junior devs. That's what. Yeah. You know what? Like, if there's anything I've been too cautious about is that I wasn't sure what my target audience was gonna be. And I hedged. I said like it's called newbies, junior devs, and senior devs. But really, I should just go. This is the only book in the world for junior to senior devs. That's it. Although it like blunts some of my edge with regards to being a recent beginner and career changer and like bootcamp person and all that. I feel like that space is well covered and I don't have anything new. But I do have something new for junior to senior, so that's what I'm doing. We'll see. I can refine that later. There's no end of like me being not happy with myself. Dun, 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 dun. I'm in a good mood, even though like I'm not the best at whatever the fuck this is, but yeah. All right, look at that. He's the only one. Everyone else like Twitter, Twitter, Twitter. Mastering Next.js. This one got nothing. Yeah. So in case you want to check out my launch cheat sheet, this is what I'm like. This is everything I've studied with regards to how to launch. And I really should put Ryan Schenke's stuff here. Where is it? Yeah, React Security. Okay, good. All right. Yeah. You know what? Wow, this is a super long post. Okay, so show HN the Coding Career Handbook. Let's double check that this site works. Oh, I could. So I have this functionality in my site that customizes. Oh fuck! I need to do this from Hacker News. And this like pops up a little hello message, and I can customize that. So what I need to do is basically customize a Hacker News message. So I don't really know what a good Hacker News message is, and this is something I have to figure out right now. So just to give you an example, I have from Product Hunt, and Product Hunt, and that pops up a little welcome Product Hunt. The creator package is just perfect for makers like you. So it understands that you are a maker, and it sort of guides you towards some package or whatever. Okay, so let's send people to community, right? So let's say my machine is dying because there's just so much going on. Let's kill this. Let's kill this. Let's kill this. Okay, I'm gonna probably kill Slack because I don't need Ryan's help anymore for now. Okay, so let's go to nav, and then let's customize for Hacker News. Is this an SVG or is this an image? What is this? Hey, hey, what you wanna say? Oh my god. Hacker News SV logo search. Hacker. Okay, so this is supposed to be super fast SVG search. But it comes up with too much. Oh, there we go. Hey, hey, what you wanna go to? Hey, what's up, Eddie? Hey, what's up, Eddie? It's happening. .jpg, .gif. Okay, so raw. No, not raw. Display source. There we go. Copy it. Copy it. Okay, so if from Hacker News, I guess. Else if from Hacker News. Welcome Hacker News. I mean, do I need this? No. It's just funny. Uh, okay, so the community package. I believe in the power of community. Believe discussion makes. I don't know what the tagline should be. Everything. Books are better with discussion, so the community package is for you. I don't know. All right, let's see. Let's see what this looks like. So I have a local instance on my site running. It has to run the serverless functions for begin.com, which I'm using as my hosting platform and functions platform. I don't actually need it that much, but I like their features. I wanted to try them out, and it's a good excuse to try it. So here I am. Definitely paid my dues with regards to learning curve, but now I know a new platform. Okay, so here, what I do is from Hacker News, and then I can see the custom result. Oh, why does this say P? That's wrong. This one. Hey. This is probably not a very clean SVG, but it's good enough. I don't know if I ever need these things, but whatever. Oh no, what happened to my... Whoa. Shit just died. I probably can submit it at this point and not incur any sort of penalty because I you know, I can always modify it on my end. Hey, it is actually not up yet, but RC5 is very close. You can head to 6.podia.com and reset password and use your Gumroad email. I have upgraded all pre-sale buyers to 99 tier. Let's also just go ahead and upload. So let me show you what Gumroad uploading looks like on my end. So this is the site. So essentially I decided to change platforms, mostly for money reasons, but then also flexibility of like feature set. Gumroad is kind of limited in what it can do. It's just this page, and I found it a little bit hard to hook up to a custom page. So I wanted to have a little bit more custom presentation. So Gumroad, I think what I have to do is upload your files, do from your computer, and then head to Career Advice Book, head to list. I'm sending out instructions soon. You caught me early. Versions. Come on. Wow, my machine is dying with the live streaming. I need to get better at this. Basically, I need a separate machine for doing the live streaming. If I was professional with these things. Yeah, so now that I've done this, I can actually email Gumroad people. And Gumroad lets me do that. Once I upload a new file, they let you email everyone who bought it. So I want to put all my links in there because I expect that Gumroad people will be my supporters, and I want to give them things to support instead of just saying like, hey, you can download a new file now. That's a wasted opportunity. I want to say, hey, you can download a new file plus please show your support. So yeah, I got up to 247 before I stopped Gumroad, and I sold 100 off book. It is now updated on Gumroad 2. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to that later. Let's handle Hacker News first. So this size is a little off. God damn it, so slow with the okay, so height 100 px. How's that? $50 px. $30 px. I like 30 px. Let's check mobile. What the fuck phone is that? Yeah, 30 px is fine. Hey, hey, what you wanna do? Okay, that's good enough for me. I can check it in. I don't like the copy. Hang on, I'm gonna change the copy. Books are better read with discussion. So check out the community package. So it's not saying like it's for you, it's just saying check it out because all books should have a comment section. All right. Yeah, so I guess what I'm doing here is the principle in the book that I talk about of sparking joy, like doing something customized to each audience, and hopefully that will make it more appealing to that audience. Add HN call out. All right, get professional master. This is still a master. I haven't changed it to main yet because I'm a lazy piece of shit. And then I'm gonna get tagged from here. What the fuck is my? Hey, hey, what you wanna say? If you haven't seen it, this is begin.com. I like the UI. It's just got some very rough edges around the edge cases. Like I tried to add a second app to the same repo, and then it just fucked up all kinds of things. But that's what it's like to be an early user. And the benefit of being an early user is that you can just yell at the founders and they'll just go fix it. So I'm just going to deploy this directly to production. Ship it. Okay. Time to just send it in to HN. What the fuck? So learninpublic.org from Hacker News, and that should give me. Whoa! You see that? Oh no, that was the old one. So I have it logging some analytics to my backend, and it should actually log out for me. So you can see this, the number of visits going on, as well as the number of origins and all that. Product Hunt has 115 people coming in. Okay. So let's submit it. You know, the problem with running two Twitter accounts is that I have to keep jumping back and forth, and it kind of split the audience, which like is uncomfortable for me now because I'm launching, right, and I want to get maximum attention. We are up on Hacker News Y Combinator. All right, let's see what notifications I have over here. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Shah. I don't know if you're still watching, but yeah, I mean, thank you. It's a lonely path, like doing all this. So I appreciate all the encouragement and help I can get. Okay, so let me see that thong. I have. You know what? I'm not gonna announce it on my own Twitter yet, because I'm gonna draft that tweet later on. Okay. So let's put some nice comments in here and get the discussion going. Am I on show? Jesus Christ. Newest show agents. Yep, it's me. So Mail Down seems to be an early winner. Greppy. Okay, I think the space here looks kind of clear for me. Not that I'm any expert at all, but all right, let's get serious about some copy. Let's bang out some copy, right? Do 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 do. This is pretty good. All right. Hi, HN. I have been... Actually, you know what? I can use my Product Hunt copy. Product Hunt. Na 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 na. Hi, HN. I've been writing this... Hi, HN. I've been writing this in April, which reminds me I can launch on Indie Hackers too. I've been writing this since April. This is my HN post. I think it's like showing you. Okay, so you know, one thing I did not do is to give a free sample chapter. So So I should probably go do that basically right away. After I do Twitter, I'll do free sample chapter. This is bad planning. I kept putting this off, and then now I'm like realizing that I need to do that. Um, this book has been years in the making. I'm going to launch it today. Um, Something like that. I can iterate on this. Maybe I need to do a double enter. Oh, people on HN love to know about tech stack. Side note on tech stack. I am, for the book, I am using I'm using softcover.io. Which Michael Hardo, which is a Rails app that Michael Hardo uses to to create the Rails tutorial. It's the best tool I found that generates PDF, EPUB, Mobi, out of the box with decent customization by exposing full latex. And it's also free to use. It's also FOSS with a paid option. For my site, I am using begin.com, Svelte, and Podia for payments. For components, for hosting and functions, Podia for payments. For audiobook, I am using Audacity. And my trusty egghead.io Shure mic. Instructor. Standard issue. Let me know if I can insert any other tech stack. Putting this together was a good couple weeks of trial and error. Let me know if I can answer questions alongside book questions. All right. Blah blah blah. You think it should be longer? So look at Philip. Ooh, Patrick was correcting one of the comments said here. So is there any value I can provide on that? Okay. Oh yeah. Something else I can write about is I have a lot of these. Roughly 1/4 of the chapters are prior are prior blog posts that have been uh, rewritten in greater detail with their perspective. Have done super well. Stuff. My greatest hits include Learning in Public, 6, and since publishing them, I have taken loads of feedback and rewritten them for the book. The remaining 3/4 are brand new content. I have been brainstorming and testing in talks and podcasts. And market testing. Market for months. So I have I have applied for my own career and market tested the messaging in tweets, talks, and podcasts. All right. It's not going to be perfect. Nothing is. La la la. You know what? Maybe I should just link to myself on Hacker News. Look at this. I can do this. Actually, no. What I should do is 6.io. Yeah, it doesn't show my best work. All right, fuck it. Okay, so that is Hacker News done for me. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Now Twitter. Oh God, how do I do a launch tweet? Let's do a launch tweet. I guess. Let's check out. Adam stuff here. Adam stuff here. And then Hey, West Boss did well on Sublime Text. Should I look at it? All right, let's see what happens. This is me. It's short. That's it. Yeah, I don't have to. I mean, I could do a thread. Wow, ADP. That's a high number, but maybe not high enough. From Twitter fam. A little bit informal. Thanks, Gabe. Wow, different picture on YouTube. Huh? All right, so that's gonna be. You know what? I forgot to test the OG images. Oh fuck. I think I have to like test like Twitter OG card test. Card validator. There we go. Yeah, I don't need Slack. Slack, go away, Slack. Go away. Yeah. Good enough for me. I don't want the big one, big thing. Okay. The Coding Career Handbook is now available. Oh, let's tell Gail that I've changed the name. Tell Gail. Career guides, principles, strategies, and tactics. I'm so tired of this sequence of words. For to take you from code newbie to senior developer. You know, something I really feel passionate about is that I didn't phrase it here on building an exceptional and sustainable coding career, because it's very much about like one that lasts and one that's healthy, not something that is pushing yourself too much. Okay, what else did I say that resonated for me? So this is the letter that I sent out yesterday. If you're watching the live stream, this is peeling back the kimono a little bit. Apparently that's not the right word to say. I take that back. Apparently it's showing behind the scenes. Fuck, this is so slow. Holy crap. Let's check out the Discord. Da-da-da. There we go. See, I don't have to load some stupid app. Okay. Nothing I really. Part 1. I just don't have that many characters. Let's look at more. It is. It. Um. It has my best writing. Look at this guy. So Li Hao's knows what's up. He's picking up what other people put down, and then Una's Yuna's you know giving him a platform, and that's really great. 450 pages. Hey Gabe. Yes sir. Team license is good. You're so kind of you. Yeah, I'm also coordinating with Vinny Kunche to give away to Diversify Tech Co. Okay. What the fuck am I gonna say on this stupid tweet? I don't like this for Twitter. I don't feel like it's very natural. It's just so pretentious. Everything I the best 100,000 words. Everything I have learned from studying learned about building an exceptional and sustainable coding career. Hey, neat. Thanks so much. Sorry, I am not a very exciting live streamer, but this is all the doubt in my head as I launch. Comes in three favorites. The book, 450 pages of everything I've learned about building exceptional sustainable. Um, this is a reference, the ultimate reference for the 4 to 8 years from junior to senior. Is here. Ultimate guide for the 4 to 8 years from junior to senior dev. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay. Whew. That was it. It's out. And it's at 8:30. And let's go. Fuck me. Yeah, pin this. And I'm gonna share it. Ah, stupid Twitter. Stop jumping. Twitter jumped on me. God fucking. Oh. Okay, here's the tweet. Exactly, Sha. The less characters, the more time. Okay, so that's the tweet that's out. And then I'm also going to say the community. Every book. So this one I'm going to reference myself. Better twitter.notify.com. From Swix book Discord. So I have an opinion. Every book should have a Discord. Should have a chat. Comment community section. We get I stepped down from my React.js, my active moderator responsibilities, and role, and will be dedicating and will be personally moderating we get so much more out of it when we can talk to fellow readers. this new Discord. Let's put in a nice image here. So I'm going to use the image that I already have on this site, which is Discord chat. But then I have a nicer version of this, which is somewhere else. Where the fuck is it? There it is. The creators. For those who want to become creators, I have live streamed. I have put up extra authors, 2+ hours of authors commentary, to peek behind the scenes of coding career. Author's commentary, and what else am I doing? Author's commentary and 10 hours of recorded writing sessions to show you how I am how Coding Career was put together. I'm also doing some recorded workshops recorded to be recorded where I can present topics and where you can ask me anything live. Okay. And this one goes here. And then by the way, this launch is being live streamed. So let's do Twitter, Coding Career. By the way, 25% of book sales will be this entire launch process sequence has been live streamed and recorded, in case you are into watching someone fumble around their first launch uh, including writing this tweet. Lol. Threat lol. Okay, so I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. This entire launch sequence has been live streamed. The revolution is being televised. Oh, the other thing I wanted to note is that from 25% book sales. I think those are the keywords. I believe strongly in giving back, in giving back to things I have benefited from and paying it backwards. Give back to open doors, just like doors were opened for me. 25% of book sales will be donated to Free Code Camp. I'd love to match where 25% of the way, or 20%, 21. I mean, it depends how many sales I've done so far since the time I launched, but way to donating 10K, which is what's the metric? 10 divided by 300. 50 hours, right? So 18 hours. Yeah, $1. Every dollar is 15 hours. $50 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 500,000 hours, 24 days, 365, 57 years. 57 years worth of, according to Ossia, which by Ossia's reckoning, I think this is the right tweet. Let's just make sure. Worth of your money goes far. Okay. All right, I'm done with this thread. So let's take this and head to the other account and retweet that. I should probably use Sasha's thing, Chirp, but I don't have time for new tools. I just don't. So okay, I'll just retweet it. All right, that's Twitter. Simple note. That's Twitter. Let me tell Gail. Let's look at the mentions just in case I screwed something up. Let's go tell Gail, because she promised that she would help me, or whatever. Let's see. Look for Gail. Yeah, I'm just gonna close all this. Gail. So Gail wrote Cracking the Coding interview. So, hey Gail, just wanted to close the loop. I renamed everything about the book and finished and am launching it today. Not sure if you've had the chance to take a look, but I can definitely send over an updated copy if you're interested. Thanks again for getting in touch and offering to help. There we go. All right, that's Gail. Free sample chapter. I don't know about this. So let me just knock out Reddit and Dev2. Then I can see as career questions. Probably just got a bunch of comments on the Tailwind post. Posts must be related to computer science careers. Survey data collecting posts need mod approval. Promotional or advertising threads are only allowed in monthly sticky threads. I see. So they have like robots to. I don't know what are good Reddits to do this. Fuck it. Hi folks. I joined AWS last month and as an L6 and spent the 2 months coronavirus break writing a book on all my career advice. Here it is, and I am happy to answer any questions about the AWS interview process. Whatever. I know Reddit's not a super high priority thing. That's Reddit. Is there anything else? Any other subreddits? Honestly, like I don't use Reddit for like career questions. So CS career questions, experience dev, CS majors, computer science, learn programming, coding, jobs, career guidance, IT career questions. Let's see what this is up. This is. I mean, these are Reddits. I'm not. No surveys. No support forum. I wonder if this would break it if I just did that. I could just do that. Show our programming. Oh, I don't flare it? Hi, our programming. I just release my book on dev career advice. All the non-coding parts of coding careers. I need to copy. This is not going to be sustainable. So simple note. Let's go to this thing here. All right. Simple note. So the Hacker News post is not doing well at all. So I need to go put out a call to action. So show HN. one really, I'm not having much luck on the orange website today. If anyone wants to help, apparently I can't link it myself, but directly. But if anyone wants help, it'd be greatly appreciated. All right, little signal boost for Hacker News, because I mean, I think it should do well in Hacker News, and I have some affinity to that platform, so we'll see what that looks like. So that's Gale. Oh, thanks, Olympia. Hope you enjoy it. And definitely let me know if and you might enjoy an anecdote in the Profit Center chapter. Let's see. Oh, hey, Murugesh. That's awesome. Thank you for doing such an awesome job making the site run so smoothly. Fucking keyboard latency. All right. No, nothing on fire. It's the only thing I care about. um, no, I don't want a news app. You fucking Apple fucktards. Fuck off, piece of shit. Okay, so Dev 2. Let's do Dev 2. Show yourself. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. That's not Dev 2. Dev 2, Dev 2, Dev 2. Launching the Coding Career Handbook. Man, I'm repeating myself so much. Holy fuck. I'm launching my career advice book today. Advice. To announce that that the Coding Career Handbook is now live. Whatever. Dev 2. Dev. Coding Career site. It is packed with all my best advice, the best of my writing. Part of the book is my best blog career advice blog posts. Rewritten and updated, like learn in public, dated for rewritten and updated for 2020. And the other 3/4 is never before seen stuff on the business of software, on career, business, tech, strategy, and tactical advice on everything from negotiation to writing to Twitter to CFPs to Twitter. Yeah. Okay. Check out the table of contents here. I just realized the Product Hunt is doing better than the Hacker News, which is embarrassing. Because I really don't like Product Hunt. I really don't. Well, it's not gonna do amazing, but it's a decent showing. There we go. Stole it from there. And then where is my table of contents? So slow, look at that. There it is. I'm so tired. I didn't really sleep last night. And I'd of course be. This is the follow up to Dev 2 writing a book. My original announcement that I am writing a book. Two months later than I originally expected, but the journey, but I am so much prouder of this final output. The original announcement got to 4K in pre-sales. Then the Dan Abramoff thing. Where is it? Dan Abramoff's tweet doubled that, and in the lead up to the launch, I doubled that again. I did another 3 to 4K in the lead up to the launch. This means that I exceeded my original, far exceeded, just in pre-sales alone, hitting 11K before today. I hope to write up my writing process in a future posts. Please ask me questions here so I can answer it in the post. But for now, I just wanted to share that the book is now live. Whatever. Kind of rambly post, but okay. So that's Dev 2. Simple note. So that's Dev 2. Okay. Let's also launch on Indie Hackers. Why not? Actually, I guess maybe I should write this as a post rather than a thing. See if I can write a post. Let's just mostly copy this. Okay, and then let's add a little flavor flav. Did I share it on the stream? I have not, haven't I? Do, 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 do. Crossing 12K pre-launch. Whatever. It's Indie Hackers post. There we go. Alright, let's email Gumroad buyers. So I have this queued up already. Where the fuck? I guess I don't have it. Twitter. Product hunt. Hacker News. Hey, I got 14 points. Dev.2. Or any platform you feel this is suitable for. Wish me luck. Rick, bats, and feedback. Okay, so all right, so this is the Padilla move. Whoever was asking about that earlier. Fulfillment typo. Thanks, Pablo. Saving my ass. Fulfillment? That's not the right way to spell it. Yeah, it's one L. Fulfillment. It's one L. Okay, what? It's one L, right? I'm confused. It's not a typo. fuck it, for sales. I mean, check Google. Maybe it's a UK, US, English thing. The sales backend. All right, send it to 300 people. Okay, so that's Gumroad. Yeah, all right. I better respond to some people. Let's respond to Product Hunt. Hey, we're number 10. Thanks, Faraz. Thanks, Josh. Okay, I'm not gonna brag because we're already number 10. Thanks, Doron. Better save that. This is from Shah. Thanks so much, Nick. Would love to hear what you think. Better save that as a snippet. Thanks. Feedback, please. All right. Thanks a ton, Max. Okay. Is that Gail? Please be Gail. It's not Gail. Francesco. Hey, yes, I just sent an email with instructions on how you can log in. You can log into your new Podia account. Okay, let's answer my own comments. Oh man, I love Forest. Forest is awesome. Fuck you. Thank you. Yes, in fact, V0.1.x of the book was published through LeanPub, but I found their build process buggy and non-deterministic. The same exact code source material would sometimes succeed in building and sometimes fail with no stack trace or anything else, or error message, helpful error message. The LeanPub founders are aware of this. But to save my sanity after a 5-hour session randomly debugging from a distance, I had to leave. Thanks a ton, Forrest. Your advocacy and lending your platform to help give a leg up to others in the cloud has been super inspiring to me, and it's been super inspiring to me, and I hope to do the same in future. I need to find a better phrase than the guy. Fuck it. No. Okay. All right, that's good for Hacker News. Let's give some attention to Product Hunt. Let's see if we got anything on Twitter. Probably not. Okay. So we'll note Product Hunt. Show yourself. For all the helpful feedback and detailed feedback. It was an honor to have the book reviewed by someone I have learned so much from. Okay. Alright, I expect Reddit to be the worst. Probably banned from some platforms. Or just got nothing. Which is kind of par for the course. Okay, I might end this stream soon because I feel like I'm at the end of what I can do. Yeah, this is a waste of time. Okay. Well, that's Reddit. And then No service worker. Figure out phone stuff. Yep, did that. Launch discount to email subscribers. Give affiliate code to friends. Yep, did that. Lighthouse. Did that. Yeah, I think that's the launch. The book is live. Let me double check on mobile that the site works, because otherwise, I think we can call it. I think I can go get some rest, come back in 1 or 2 hours, answer questions, um, and see how far this gets. Um, okay, let's check out the site. I mean, it's on the front page of Hacker News. Like that's good enough. Let's see how many. Okay, so we gained about 1,000 visitors on the site. Um, so that's nice. Why does Product Hunt say 8? Media links. Does it actually say 8? Because it says 8 on my phone, which is kind of lame, right? Uh, don't swap DNS the day before. Okay, it's 28. Um, let's look at the split. Huh? How come it doesn't expose the split? Let's look at the begin backend. Maybe it's just not working like I thought it would. I thought it does. There should be no reason why it doesn't reflect the data. Oh, it's staging versus production. Am I on staging here? No. Interesting. Let's share this as a behind the scenes. Hacker News is really the bulk of the. Hacker News is important. Yeah. I don't know what to say. What position are we right now? We are number. We're not even on there anymore. Oh, we are. We're number 9. Okay. So I hacked together. I put together a little attribution hit counter. Non-privacy intruding attribution hit counter. We are number 9 on HN right now, and it is providing by far the majority of visits. HN is important. Behind the scenes. Using begin data. Let's do the source code. Codingcareer.com. Yeah, the site is open source, so people are welcome to come in. I don't know, improve it, open an issue. Looks like someone's opened an issue. It's probably me. Okay. Source. Chris on code. Chris is such a friend, and he's amazing. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go review the feedback and check my email, and then check in on work because I'm supposed to be working right now, and then that's it for the launch. This was this was as good as I can ask for. At least I made the front page of Hacker News, and okay. Yeah, not a I think not a lot of like deep dive feedback, but I think just a lot of friends being supportive, and that's as much as I can ask for right now. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully that was something interesting. I've been, this is supposed to be a 2-week countdown to my launch, and then it got delayed, and then I took a few weeks off, and then I picked it back up. Not exactly 2 weeks before today, but I hopefully shared some of my experiences, and I'm gonna write all this up. So that is it. This is LaunchLog T-0. We have launched. It's not the end because I still need to deliver on some things. So let me show you the Padilla backend. Oh, you want to see the? Let's look at the dashboard. I'm sure I made some sales. Okay, so that was about 2K over that launch period. Yeah, and messaging. What's those messages? Sleep 191. Hey, Sleep. If you bought the book pre-launch, you are already automatically upgraded to the community package as a thank you for your support. Okay, no one's come by the Twitter yet. The Oh yeah, I should probably paste it in here. All right, I'll paste the rest here. But anyway, this is it for as far as the live stream goes. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support and feedback during this journey. It's been a very long road, about 3 months. I'm super tired. My fingers have RSI, and it's still not even the end. So I need to do workshops, and then I need to finish up the audiobook. I have a lot of people giving nice feedback, and I need to actually put those in here. But apart from that, like, thank you so much. All right, this is LaunchLog. Look, what the fuck is this fella? Let me block you. There you go. That's not a nice